Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Nahmaduhu wa nasalli ala Rasulil Kareem. Amma ba'd. So one person, he asked a question, he complained, he mentioned that either listen to the lectures or I read the transcription of the lectures, but I can't remember it. Forget everything. So he replied here, no harm in this. The effects of the listening, the effects of the reading remain with you. And in another place, another book, Maulana Abrar Sahib rahmatullahi alayhi, he mentioned that this is just like eating food. What did you have on January 4th, 2022? Don't know. But if you didn't have that, what would have happened? It would have hindered your progress, your development, your health. And by having that, it helped you grow, it helped you maintain health. So even though sometimes you not remember what you have read, you not remember what you've heard, but the things you hear, the things you read, the things you look at, they have a long-lasting effect, both positive and negative. So never underestimate something you really forget. No, it still has an effect on you. And sometimes that's what happens. Sometimes you will find that sometimes, even after you read a lot, you forgot that you might quote the person 2 or 3, 4, quote the person once, and you forgot that was what you read, but it become your thinking, your ideology, your belief. You understand something? Like, oh, you quote that, and I said, oh, I might have read it somewhere. I don't remember reading it, but now because you took it in, you internalized it, now it becomes your thoughts. You understand? So never underestimate the value of listening to good things, reading good things, looking at good things, and even if you forget them.